What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Welcome to JREKML channel. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so we got Kiss-of-Life, Midas Touch. Midas Touch. I've been seeing teasers. Kiss-of-Life has been that girl group right there. They've been like killing the game. Oh my god, I just woke up. I took a shower. If my voice sounds weird, that's the reason why. What is that symbol? Hold up. Can I go to this? Look, do you see this symbol up here? What is that? North and south? That's a compass? I need some water. Alright, we ready for Julie, Hanul, Bell, Nati. They've been killing the game for real. Put a comment down below who's your bias. Let me know. 4K, captions on, bop. Ooh, someone stalking somebody? Hold up. What? Okay. Oh! Oh my god, okay. They glamored. Whoa.
Wasn't ready.
You gonna make me act up.
Oh, don't be caught in her web. Damn, okay, their hair attached with all these ribbons looking like a web. Oh my god. Eat your love, eat your love. Wait, hold up. From the beginning, somebody was stalking Hanul, right?
Bombastic side eye.
Whoa. Count 10, that's all I need. Swept away. Oh. This sounds like an old school pop. Like, even like American pop. Ooh. Sweet Danger Unraveled. Oh my god, Belle. Okay, she's a peacock. Oh, oh, Hanul's hair though. Let's go. Okay, the pearls. Oh.
The Filipino was too stunned to speak.
Damn. Oh, like Medusa. Ah. The Midas Touch. Like, okay, wait, hold on. Let me do a little research on Midas. So Midas Touch, just a quick little reminder, a Greek myth in which a king Midas turns anything he touched to gold, basically. Okay, that's what I thought. But they told everyone they touch, or like, I guess they turn to stone, kind of like Medusa. That's what I was gonna say, Medusa. Ooh, their outfits kind of do remind me of like a Christina Aguilera, almost like early Christina Aguilera, like that era. Even the song. Ooh, okay, Julie. Her shadow is a snake, like a serpent. Okay, heels. Yeah, interesting. Okay, okay. The dresses be going. They go on. They go on. They slay it. Oh. Sorry, I was just looking. He looks so damn comfortable riding in a motorcycle. I mean, if it's not the driving, I'd be comfortable too, I guess. Or it's green screen. No, it's not green screen, Trey. It's real. She rode that motorcycle. Damn. Oh, that's so dope. When she was like touching the street, it was sparkling and then turned to coins. Ooh, okay, Hanul. Am I saying her name right? Ooh. Those like tarts. Even the text of Midas Touch, I think, reminds me of like old school like Christina Aguilera stuff too. Like a lot of other people too. Ooh. Ooh, the whistles? Oh. Ooh, okay, Belle. Damn. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Choreography crazy too. Damn. Oh, everybody broke the. Oh. Hey. Oh, he brought him back. Wow, Belle? Is that her real eyes? I feel like Belle has the same eyes as I do. Right here. Wow. Wait, are those contacts? Wait, how do my eyes look like? Oh, they're just brown right now. Sometimes they turn hazel. Anyways, very pretty. Okay, vocal. Let me hear that bell. Belt again. Bell belt.
Looking like a kitty cat, but I'm a dog. I'm down with that. Once a countdown, so you're not gonna mind.
Ooh. Think too much. Touch ya, kiss ya. Does remind me of like someone I remember said it reminded them like of the Cheetah Girls too, and I can see that a little bit too. Nothing wrong with that because I feel like Cheetah Girls made some one of the better like Disney pop songs, and it has that kind of feeling as well. But from the beginning, it does give me like American Pop vibes a little bit. I mean, it's pop, so there's different versions of pop everywhere. She's always in a heart, Julie, in this music video. Nazi is in a spider in his web trying to catch the next victim. She looks good. Oh my gosh. I think I remember seeing this outfit too, and everybody like going crazy on the internet. Belle sitting up on like her throne that looks like a peacock. Oh, the eyes moving. Ah. This one, I'm not sure what this is. Hanul's part. Hey baby, I'm so toxic. The more dangerous, the more fun. Is it alright? Okay. She looks good though. This is a fire shot too. That looks really good here too. And he's turning to stone. Touch ya, kiss ya, realize. The set's cool too. They look good too. Like the outfits here, crazy dope. It does give me like early 2000s too. Again, she's in another heart. I guess she's like she pulls the strings of your heart to drag you in. Then Nadi catches you in her web. Not sure what Belle and Hanul do. I think Hanul turns them to like stone or something like that. Maybe I guess Belle freezes them with one look. Or that's like the Julie killing it. I still can't get over this guy just so relaxed on a motorcycle. I've never seen anyone look like this on a motorcycle, but you know what? You trust Nati, I guess. In love, the trust is real. That's what I'm gonna do to feel too. Them nails though, like I'm not really a like I don't do my nails, but you know my girl does her nails, and you know I see some of my friends who are girls that do their nails, or guys, but like I appreciate a good nail art though. Like right here, look at that. That's crazy. Looks good. Some jewelry too. Oh, okay, with a wig. Damn, they really eating. Won't realize. Think it too much, girl. These shots are crazy dope though. Like right here, the stage kind of looks like, I don't know why it reminds me the not the stage, the text reminds me of like Moulin Rouge text. Let me double check. Like that kind of. Not too much actually. It's like it's big, showy, like pizzazz kind of feel too. So the snakes are everywhere, by the way, and just her laying on a whole body of people that got turned to stones, which look like people that are like looking at them, worshiping us. Basically, we're like fans turned to stone by them. Would you let Kiss of Life turn you to stone? And it takes away. Oh, but she reverts back. I don't know why I didn't comment on that before. It was in my mind. That was cute. The choreo right there. Hey, hey. A Midas touch. That's a fire shot. That's a poster. Wow. Okay. Yo, give it up for a Kiss of Life for the comeback. It does sound. It gives me like that Christina Aguilera vibe. That 2000s pop kind of feel. Belle killed the vocal. Julie killed the rap. Nati and Hano just killed it all. To be honest, all around us. All around. In the comments down below what you guys think of Kiss of Life Midas Touch. What you think of the music video? What do you think of the meaning? Can you tell if you guys want to like let us know what the meaning of the whole music video is? I don't know if I covered all of it. I'm pretty sure I didn't. But if you want to those theorists and people that want to talk about it, please leave in the comments down below. I'm really curious about it. I do go over your comments, even whether it would be just like, hey Dre, or to like actually explaining or even correcting me. I don't mind being corrected. Like it's educate, let people know. Just don't sound like an asshole, you know what I'm saying? There's some people that just sound like an asshole in the comments, just trying to educate people. I'm like, you don't have to be an ass about it. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to stream this music video. Link in the description. I have a Discord, link in the description. Patreon, link in the description. And I do Twitch almost every day. I'm cutting it short a little bit just because I'll be working on different projects, which you guys will be hearing about soon, which are pretty big. And yeah, it's your boy JRE from JREKML. Love you all, my dreamers. Keep on dreaming, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.